So what is up guys? How are you guys are doing? I hope everyone is having a great day so far. Today I have a special video planned for you guys. Guess what? We're baking cake. You're baking with Devin. Okay guys, so what do you have here? We have a chocolate fudge here. This is a box cake. 1 cup of milk. I have 3 eggs, butter, and the mixer. And this is the pan we're gonna bake it in. So I'll bring you guys along to show you how I do it. So we pour. Oh, almost made a mess. This in a bowl that you're gonna mix it in. I'm sure I'm gonna get a lot of comment down below because I'm doing a good job, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna put the egg inside. Okay. A bowl there. Then there's like a rankness inside. I'm gonna get a spoon to take it off. Take with a ring. I just finished bursting all the egg in the bowl, and I have a mixer, but I don't want to mix it with the egg, so I'm just gonna get a spoon or fork and mix it a little bit so it'll be easier inside. Okay, so that's done there. Egg inside here. Then pour the milk, and you're gonna wanna put like a 2 spoons of butter inside. One spoon there. 1 spoon there. Okay, that's good there. Then, to stir it up. Oh yeah. So, stick this in here and let's get going. Too slow? 1 more speed. Oh no, that's too speed. So you wanna go very gentle because you don't want everything to spill out the bowl.
It smells yummy.
Damn! This also smelling very nice. So I remember when I was more smaller, and my mom, she usually bake cake. When she finished pouring everything in the pan, whatever left in the bowl, I usually eat it up. But today, we're not gonna do this. Just gonna only do bacon. You wanna do this for like a solid 5 minutes. Just in case you didn't know why I'm baking, I have orders. say you gotta do it, you gotta do it.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna grease the pan. So it wouldn't stick. Oh, just in case you asking or like you wondering, how come you're like a professional? Guys, I can cook. I'm better than Jazz. I'm a good cook. So if you guys want to see me cook more in the kitchen, give us a thumbs up, comment below, and let me know. I read all of you guys' comment. That's it. Right now, I'm gonna pour this inside. Open up, right? Where is it going? I want to get a spoon here.
Okay.
So guys, that's in the pan there. And it's ready to go in the pan. I mean the oven. This on, should I put it on top or bottom? So I'm gonna put it on top. Okay, if I put it in the bottom, it might burn. So yeah, check it out there. You guys, we'll see the finish. Here. Use this for thing and poke it and see if it's okay.
Okay, so he's gonna check.
I'm asking you to do it.
Oh. It looks okay.
Put it there. Let's see.
Good job.
See what is it now.
Mm-hmm.
It's good. Okay guys. So that's how you bake with Devin.
Chocolate cake.